Good morning, students. Hope all are keeping fit and fine. Welcome to home learning. Students, today we are going to learn the explanation of textbook activities of Unit 3, Standard 5th, Subject English 1. So let's begin. We'll begin with activity 3rd. Right, students? So open your textbook, page number 25. Open the textbook of page 25 of your textbook. Here students, it is given here 2 facts and 1 fiction. Okay, so first let's begin. What is the meaning of facts? Facts means proved to be true. Whatever is proved to be true is called a fact. And fiction. What is fiction? Fiction is something that is imagined, invented, made a story, or it is untrue. Fiction, that is called fiction. Okay, so let's begin. The teacher divides the students into groups of 4 each. For dividing the class, the teacher can use roll numbers, roll number 1 to 4, 5th to 8, and so on, or use chits or randomly distribute them in groups. Follow the sequence of the activity given below. Step 1, students will do. Each group member will think about 2 things about himself or herself, which are true facts, means it is true, and 1 thing which is not true, fictional, that is called fiction. Okay. This activity can be based on the unit, that is, each member of the group will think of his or her festival, religion, community, and prepare facts and fiction. And step 2, each member of the group will then tell his or her group the 3 statements, 2 facts and 1 fiction. So out of 3 statements, students, 2 are facts and 1 is fiction, without saying which are the fact and which one is a fiction. Now see, for example, I come from Kerala. I fly kites on Uttarayan. We prepare many dishes on this day. Now we come to proceed to step 3, students. The members of the group will ask questions to find out which statement is a fiction and which is a fact. Example, where is Kerala situated? Which is their major festival? Which are the festivals celebrated there? Or we can say which is their major festival. Do they fly kites? Step 4. The members of the group will work together to find out which statement is a fiction and also give their reasons for it. Step 5. The members of the group will share with the class whatever interesting they have learned during this activity. So students, did you understand this activity? See, here there are 3 statements given. I come from Kerala. I fly kites on Uttarayan. We prepare many dishes on this day. Okay, so the first statement, I come from Kerala, it is a fact. I fly kites on Uttarayan. Do you fly this Kerala? In Kerala, people, do they fly kites? Onam is a major festival of Kerala, right? They do not fly kites on Uttarayan. So this student is a fiction. This statement is a fiction. It is not true. It is untrue. And we prepare many dishes on this day. That is right. It is a fact. It is true. So did you understand, students? What are facts and what are fiction? Now we proceed with the next activity, students. Here, work in groups and fill in the blanks in the following paragraph with appropriate forms of verbs in the past tense. Make necessary changes in the paragraph to convert it in narrating past events. Now students, past tense. Okay, you already learned what is the present past tense. Right, students? let's begin with the first rule. Simple past tense of most verb is found by adding ed or d to the root verb v1. Right? See, now we begin. Festivals indeed, not only the root verb v1 is add. So we add ed, that is added. Right? Color to our routine life, but they also rejuvenated our lives with new zest, energy, and love for life. Your students rejuvenate. Rejuvenate means what? To feel better, younger. Okay? And here ed is added. Rejuvenate is a root verb. We add ed to make it past tense, rejuvenated. We continue. Festivals are a means of preservation and transmission of a rich cultural heritage from generation to generation and inculcate. What do you mean by inculcate? Means teach, instill, inculcate. This is a root verb. We add d here, right, students? So it becomes inculcated, right? Earlier here we had added ed. Here we have added students d, rejuvenated. Here also we add inculcate, just add d, inculcated. Values and morals in life's festivals are of various kinds such as religious, national, cultural, historical, social traditions, customs, and based on some beliefs. And we proceed to the next page, students. This was 26 page. We proceed to 27 page, students. Legends. Festivals are usually, here root verb is take, right? We added taken. Taken as a time for enjoyment. But there are some festivals which are celebrated. Here we have added D, celebrated, to pay tribute and homage to the sacrifice of great martyrs or some religious significance. Example, Good Friday, Moharram, etc. etc. India had. Here to have the past tense is had. Great diversity. Students, what is the meaning of diversity? Differences. Being multilingual and multi-religious nation. Multilingual means many different languages are spoken in India. Different festivals were to be, we change it to were. Festivals were celebrated in different religions and parts of the country, and each has its own importance. So students, here we complete the B part of activity 5.